Number 2 is our QIDI Technology 3D printers. The QIDI Technology X-Max 3D printer is a top-of-the-line machine that delivers exceptional results for businesses that need high-quality prints. The printer's innovative features and cutting-edge technology make it an excellent investment for optimizing its 3D printing experience. One of the most significant upgrades to the X-Max is its double-gear extruders that offer greater precision, better heat dissipation, and less clogging. Further, the printer's 2 extruders allow you to easily switch between filaments and print with PLA, TPU, ABS, PETG, nylon, carbon fiber, and other materials. Another standout component of the X-Max is its filament runout detection system, which notifies you when the printer runs out of filament. In a power outage, the printer saves the breakpoint, allowing you to resume printing from where you left off. The X-Max S industrial-grade dual Z-axis support and 2-axis motors provide exceptional stability and precision even when printing larger models. The printer's accuracy remains consistent even when printing continuously for more than 24 hours, making it perfect for the mass production of professional quality prints. If you are interested in the fabulous 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it.